So I received my Influenster box. This is my very first one. Let's see if I can get this open. Okay, this is the I Do box by Influenster. It has a card and it tells you what's in here and how much the retail value is to everything that's in here. I received some Neutrogena hand cream. I can't wait to try that. Nano Blur High Definition Ready Skin in Seconds. I'm excited about trying this. CoverGirl Outlast Stay Luminous. This is a foundation. Pretty nice. Buff Beige, which is actually my color, so that's perfect. Cannot wait to try that. And then in the box here, I have a CoverGirl Outlast Longwear Moisture Lipstick. And that is in this shade. It's really pretty. It's beautiful, actually. Bear with me, this is my first video. Okay, and then there is these cashew snacks. They're glazed, pomegranate and vanilla. That looks amazing. I have Aches and Pain Urgent Relief to Go Lemon Lime. That's going to be pretty interesting, especially for my back. Skinny Girl Tasty Nutrition Bar in Dark Chocolate Almond with Coconut. So that should be pretty good. It's only 170 calories, 6 grams of protein. It's not bad. Looking forward to trying that out. And that was everything in my I Do box.